Welcome back to my channel, Yummy Bites by Sunita. Welcome to Baking Series Part 1. Today's video is all about learning which cake pan to use for baking certain sizes of cakes. With so many different sizes of cake pans available in the market, it can be difficult to know which pan to use. I will talk about which pan is best to use for baking a 1 kg cake or a 2 kg cake, a tall cake or a flat cake. So let's get started. So friends, for making 250 grams of cake, you can use 4-inch cake pan. For making half kg 500 grams fully frosted cake, for flat cakes you can use 5-inch pan. For tall cakes, you can use 4-inch pan. For making 1 kg 1000 grams fully frosted cake, for flat cakes you can use 7-inch pan, and for tall cakes you can use 5-inch pan. For making 1.5 kg 1500 grams fully frosted cake, for flat cakes you can use 7-inch pan or 8-inch pan. For tall cake you can use 6-inch pan. For making 2 kgs 2000 grams fully frosted cake, for flat cakes you can use 10-inch pan, and for tall cakes you can use 7-inch pan. For making 2.5 kg cake, for flat cakes you can use 12-inch pan, and for tall cakes you can use 8-inch pan. For making 3 kgs cake, for flat cake you can use 12-inch pan, and for tall cake you can use 10-inch pan. Now friends, if you want to make 2-tier cake, for 1 kg for bottom tier you can use 5-inch pan. For the top tier you can use 3-inch pan. For making 1.5 kg cake fully frosted 2-tier cakes, bottom pan you can use 6-inch and top pan you can use 4-inch pan. For making 2 kgs 2-tier cakes, bottom pan you can use 8-inch and top pan you can use 6-inch or a 5-inch pan. For making 2.5 kg fully frosted 2-tier cakes, bottom pan you can use 8-inch or 7-inch. Top pan you can use 5-inch, 6-inch or even 4-inch will do. For making 3 kgs 2-tier, you can use bottom pan 8-inch and top pan you can use 6-inch. You can also use 7-inch or 5-inch. For making 3.5 kg 2-tier cake, bottom pan you can use 9-inch and top pan you can use 6-inch. You can also use 8-inch or 6-inch pan. Make sure there's a 2-inch difference between top tier and the bottom tier. So guys, today's video is come to an end. Please like, subscribe my channel for upcoming more baking series videos. Until then, see you by next time.